Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt the frustration of inaccurate mileage readings on your vehicle, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the ultimate solution, the best mileage correction tool on the market. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a seller, or just someone looking to enhance their vehicle's value, this tool is a game changer. It's user-friendly, reliable, and will save you both time and money. Plus, stick around because I'll share some exclusive deals that you won't want to miss. So, buckle up and let's dive into how this tool can transform your driving experience. Check the link in the description below for more details. Number 5. AutoScanner Bosscom MK808S is the ultimate bidirectional diagnostic tool for 2024, offering exceptional value without breaking the bank. This upgraded version of the MaxiCheck MX808 features powerful bidirectional control, allowing you to perform active tests on various car subsystems, ensuring every actuator, from windows to wipers, is in top condition. With support for over 150 car brands and 28+ essential reset services, including oil reset, ABS bleeding, and injector coating, the MK808S stands out as a versatile option for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Designed for all system diagnostics, this factory-level scanner reads and clears codes, provides detailed ECU information, and displays 5-in-1 live data. The AutoVin technology streamlines the identification process, making it 5x faster to assess your vehicle's condition with just a click. Plus, the convenient Wi-Fi printing feature generates detailed reports to highlight any issues. As a flagship model from Auto, the MK808S not only rivals more expensive scanners like the MK808BT Pro but also offers significant cost savings on subscription services. With a 1-year warranty, 12-month free updates, and lifetime technical support, Auto ensures you're supported every step of the way. For anyone seeking the best mileage correction tool, the AutoScanner Bosscom MK808S is your go-to choice for efficient and comprehensive vehicle diagnostics. Number 4. Bosscom IF745 OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool, your go-to solution for comprehensive vehicle diagnostics and maintenance. Recommended by professional mechanic Devin Yemela, this tool is designed for ease of use, making it perfect for both novices and seasoned mechanics. With its impressive 7-inch screen, the IF745 offers full system diagnostics across all major vehicle systems, including engine, transmission, HVAC, ABS, and more, ensuring you have the insights needed to keep your car running smoothly. The IF745 also excels in providing essential maintenance services such as oil reset, throttle relearn, ABS brake bleed, and EPB reset. Its user-friendly interface allows for plug-and-play functionality, meaning you can quickly get started without the hassle of complicated setups. Plus, its robust design with simplified physical buttons ensures ease of use, even with gloved or greasy hands. What sets the Bosscom IF745 apart is its compatibility with over 90 car makes and more than 10,000 models, making it a versatile tool for any household. With free lifetime updates, you can be confident that your scanner will stay up to date with the latest vehicle models and issues. Ideal as a thoughtful gift for Father's Day, Christmas, or birthdays, this diagnostic tool is a must-have for any DIY car mechanic or automotive enthusiast. Enjoy 24/7 professional support from Bosscom, ensuring you have the help you need whenever you need it. Don't miss out on making car maintenance simpler and more efficient with the Bosscom IF745. Number 3. STIL D7 Bidirectional OBD2 Scanner is the ultimate automotive diagnostic tool for 2024, offering unparalleled features that make it a must-have for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. This advanced diagnostic tool supports full system diagnostics across over 10,000 vehicle models worldwide, ensuring you can troubleshoot issues with ease. With 36+ reset functions, including oil reset, EPB, SAS calibration, and crank relearn, it covers nearly all essential maintenance tasks. Equipped with a powerful 5,000 mAh battery, the STUL D7 offers extended use, while its user-friendly Android 10 interface ensures seamless navigation. Enjoy the benefits of bidirectional controls, allowing you to perform active tests such as AC clutch and fuel injector tests, making it ideal for diagnosing a wide range of vehicle problems. The FCA AutoAuth and CAN-FD capabilities for Chrysler and GM vehicles, along with the upgraded version 2.0 diagnostic report feature, enhance its utility in professional settings. With live data graphing for up to 8 PIDs and diagnostic report sharing options, the STUL D7 not only provides dealership-level accuracy but also enables you to present information clearly to clients. Plus, with 3 years of free updates, you'll always be equipped with the latest features. Save up to $500 a year on repairs and ensure your vehicle runs optimally with the STUL D7, your go-to-mileage correction tool. Number 2. Launch OBD2 Scanner CRP123X Elite is the ultimate diagnostic tool for any car enthusiast or professional mechanic. This 2024 model features lifetime free online updates, ensuring you always have the latest technology at your fingertips. With its accurate and intuitive multi-system diagnosis, you can quickly pinpoint issues when warning lights flash for your transmission, ABS, or SRS airbags, saving you valuable time and money by avoiding unnecessary trips to the dealership. The CRP123X Elite now includes newly added reset functions like throttle adaptation, oil reset, and SAS reset at no extra cost. These features optimize engine performance, simplify oil life resets, and enhance vehicle safety. Compatible with a wide range of vehicles from 1996 to 2024, including passenger cars, SUVs, and light-duty trucks, the AutoVIN technology makes it easy to retrieve your VIN and vehicle information for swift diagnostics. Additionally, this scanner displays live data for various engine parameters, allowing you to monitor oil temperature, engine speed, and more, with options to view in single or multi-graph formats for in-depth analysis. Plus, with free lifetime updates and user-friendly software, the launch CRP123X Elite ensures you stay up to date with the latest diagnostic capabilities. Don't overlook the vehicle health report and battery voltage checker features, which make it an essential tool for any car owner. Upgrade your garage with the CRP123X Elite, the best mileage correction tool on the market. Number 1. Foxwell Car Scanner NT604 Elite, your ultimate diagnostic companion designed to simplify car maintenance and repairs. This advanced OBD2 scanner not only reads check engine codes but also provides comprehensive diagnostics for ABS, SRS, and transmission systems. What sets the NT604 Elite apart is its ease of use. It works right out of the box with the latest software, eliminating the hassle of downloads. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a car enthusiast, this scanner is perfect for identifying issues before heading to the shop. The affordable and reliable design of the NT604 Elite enables you to monitor your vehicle's health effectively, giving you peace of mind when warning lights flash on your dashboard. It features a 5-in-1 diagnostic capability, allowing for OBDII diagnosis, ABS/SRS scanning, and more, making it a versatile tool for any car owner. The AutoVIN function quickly retrieves your vehicle information, saving you time during diagnostics. Plus, with support for over 60 car makes from around the globe, you won't encounter hidden software fees. Included in the package is a solid protective case, ensuring your investment stays safe from damage, while the lifetime updates guarantee your scanner stays current with automotive technology. For those seeking the best mileage correction tool, the Foxwell NT604 Elite is an essential addition to your toolkit, combining affordability with high functionality. Don't let car troubles leave you stranded. equip yourself with the Foxwell NT604 Elite today. In conclusion, choosing the right mileage correction tool can significantly enhance your driving experience and maintain your vehicle's value. We've explored various options, highlighting their features, benefits, and the importance of selecting a reliable tool for accuracy and ease of use. Remember, a well-informed choice ensures better performance and peace of mind while driving. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Share this video with your friends, and stay tuned for more insightful content.